Hello again. How are you? Today we're going to make a vegetarian dish because Veganuary is not over yet. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. And if you like my videos and my cooking series, please don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. So let's get on with today's fried vermicelli or fried noodles, which is the Chinese style of vegetarian noodles, but it's actually vegan. We have 4 pieces of the sweet beancurd steak, and we're going to cut it into strips, and then we're going to fry it. We have 1 shallot, and we're going to slice it thinly. 2 cloves of garlic, which we're going to chop. We're going to have some vegetarian gluten, so we're going to add about 80 to 100 grams. Yeah, I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. You also need a pack of mixed vegetables from the supermarket. If you want, you can add your own, but I just bought a packet so it's easier. And of course you will need some vermicelli. This is a rice vermicelli. This is brown rice. You can have it white. And you would need about 150 or so, or about 3 of this, and you soak it in water. You drain it, and this is what you get. Yeah, or you can get a packet of egg noodles from the supermarket, which is about 400 grams. So this one is about around 500 grams. You put about half a cup of oil into a small saucepan. It can bubble. Let's put all of it in. It's beginning to bubble. So you see it's puffing up. Lower the heat a bit. Or you can do it in 2 batches if you're not confident. Okay, now it's slightly brown. So we just take it up because it will continue to brown as it cools. Okay. And then we put it on this. So this one is done. Put 2 tablespoons of oil. And we're going to fry the shallots. When it's slightly brown, then you can add the chopped garlic. You give it a good stir so it will color. Then you add in the mock meat or the gluten. Then you add in the vegetables. Put the whole bag. Toss it around. Ooh, now I can do it better. Ooh, not bad. And then you add in the vermicelli or the noodles, whatever you use. And then you add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, not sweet and dark soy sauce. Okay, and then you give it a toss. I want to put a bit of 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. I prefer it a bit dark. Yeah, and then you just toss it so that we don't break the noodles. Make sure that every strand is covered with the sauce. Okay. Try not to break the noodles. So we're going to use this to turn it. Actually, the noodles is already cooked, so you don't have to really like boil it or something, because it's already cooked, and then you just rehydrate it. Put some pepper and a bit of salt. How much is up to you, and you can add a dash of sesame oil if you wish. I think it's done now. Looks nice and juicy. So now we're going to plate up. So we're going to get some of these. And then we'll get all these bits up here. And you can garnish with some spring onions. So here's the finished product, my vegetarian fried noodles. This is called bihun, which is a rice vermicelli, and I've garnished it with a spring onion, some of the bean curd sheet that I fried till crispy. Can you hear that? And some coriander, and I've got something else. I've got some fried shallots which I made previously. I'm going to sprinkle on it. Ooh, this is nice. So now I'm going to taste it. Let me see. So I've got bean sprouts and I've got other vegetables. So it's easier if you buy a pack of vegetables from the supermarket if you're too lazy to use, just only bean sprouts, or maybe you have to cut your own. So this will save you time. Alright, enough talking. The taste is lovely. It's got soy sauce, which is salty, and then it's got the sweet soy sauce that gives it a tinge of sweetness, and the bihun is carbohydrates, which is good and satisfying for chewing. And I've got these little beauties here, which are the gluten, the mock vegetarian oyster or chicken or whatever, or you can even put your own vegan meat. So improvise. It's got a very sweet taste by its own, on its own. And here are the vegetables. Oh, I think this is savoy cabbage. Savoy cabbage is not so good for frying. It's nice. This is my lunch and afternoon tea together. So let me try another one. So let me try another mouthful together with the crunchy bean curd sheet. It's really nice. So I hope you like this vegetarian vermicelli. It's a lovely dish, it's easy to cook and it takes a few minutes. So until the next time, I'm Nyonyarecipe. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food. And don't forget to click like and subscribe so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. And if you think my program or my video is informative and you learn something, please don't forget to share with your friends and family who loves to cook or who like to watch people cooking like me. Alright then, bye, ciao, see you again until the next meal or the next video. Bye, bye.